Look what happened to this blazer. What the heck? Like, what's up, guys? Good morning. Oh, I ain't seen y'all in a minute yet, but we got up. That just scared me. We got up bright and early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. The goal is to go laundry, restock, return. Tonight, my friend is having a party today for her birthday, and we gotta figure out something to wear because her theme is animal print. Just see. So stay tuned for that. So let me have my put on a little makeup. We shall see how that goes. I have 4 bags of laundry. We're not judging. We got our 4 bags. And we're gonna get those downstairs. Give me a bottle of water. Maybe I'll take me a little bar. And see how we get in the car. Do I got this on the inside out? Wait a minute. I do. That's part why it's sliding off the back of my head. Alright. We managed to get the bags downstairs in 2 trips. 2 and 2. And maybe it's time to get to the laundry bag, to the salon. Maybe it's flying. It's nice and empty in there, yes. Maybe I'll bring y'all in there with me. Cause I don't have to worry about trying to like block people faces out or not get other people in the camera. Yeah, I like this. I like this for us. It's not crowded. Get in here, get out. Get in, get in, get out, get out. Sit down. I got 20 minutes on the dryers. I probably hit them 2 times. I sprayed them out so that they can dry quicker, hopefully. Oh, my stomach is rowdy. Y'all probably heard my stomach in the video. I done smashed my little bar. This is breakfast. It's mixed berry. I'm glad I came at the time I did, because now it's starting to get crowded. Oh, look at this. It's all broke up. What y'all doing? This is crazy. We eating it though. Ain't gonna throw it in the garbage. Still tastes the same. I don't know why. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. Needed that. Let me show y'all. I don't know why. I wash my blazers at the laundromat all the time. I've had blazers since college. Look what happened to this blazer. What the heck? Like, I'm confused. How did it just shred like this in the washer? You guys probably saw in the video, thrifted these blazers. Like, the inside is busted out. Like, I put it on, it was like, yeah. Like, I'm not understanding why they even popped in the first place. Blazers to the cleaners, ever. This has never happened. It'll be all right. We still gonna rock it. Now, I don't know how to sew. So if I take my jacket off and put it on the back of the seat, so somebody gonna be like, girl, you know your jacket ripped. Maybe I should grab to it then. I should. Relax my mind and let your conscience free. You now rolling with the thugs from the ROC. Jigga in the house, jigga. Yeah, I'll be back. Oh, not a new brother that came to Easter. He may be checking you out. You're gonna be a part of my vlog. Say hey to the vlog. Say hi. Listen, I said, who told her to rain today? Because tomorrow I'm gonna have my toes out. My toes done. So don't be up there telling them people's computers and monitors up there. Because listen, he got up. Oh! Ooh, this is cute. I don't need this. It's only $125. Look at this vanity organizer. It got little gold legs on it. This is cute. I don't need this. Oh, and it's a cute. Oh. That's cute. And it smells super sweet. It's called wild berry frosé. I guess like rose frosé. It smells really good. I wish they had it in a bigger one. Wild berry and brown sugar. I feel like this brand is in another store. Beloved. Oh, this smell like that. The thing you used to have in like grammar school. What is ball of childhood? You got a promotion at work. Let's go. It's about come down. That's exciting. So do you do like different things? I'm not done. You know I got questions. So you know you get money. You got the bankroll, huh? Should get two. What you gotta see out me? Yeah, the sun came out. we have not made it home yet. We're gonna get something to eat, okay? So, ooh, they're gonna be closed tomorrow for Easter Sunday. Okay. Can I get the turkey king?
Everything on it?
Yes. Can you add extra mayo and banana peppers as well?
Everything on the right?
A little small fry.
Tuna.
That's all.
And one red.
Okay, chicken tender, the grill room, that's all right. Any ketchup? Hi, where are you? Any ketchup for you?
No.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Got the goods. And we look at the grease in the bag. That means some good fries. Ooh, deliciousness. Can you put me some baby sauce in here? What's he did? Hold on. Let me try this fry. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, hot. Mm-hmm. Because we gotta carry them bags up the stairs. God, dog. Decide what we're gonna do for the attire tonight. I did find a cheetah shirt yesterday. We gonna see. Maybe if we do an all black. Is that a spider? Oh my god! Oh, it's a spider on my window. What the heck? Now I'm itching. What's up, guys? We are back. So at this point, it is 7-11. And we got to get ready for the party. The reason why I'm just now coming back to the vlog and catching in. I ain't show y'all my sandwich, what I got, nothing. Because when I came home, I stood outside for probably an hour to hour 15 minutes waiting for a park. So by the time I came up and bringing 4 bags of laundry up, I got 2 cases of water, household products, like, it was a lot. So when I came in, I had the woo side. I had already started eating. 2 hours had just flown on past. So, right now, I figured out a ride to come back home after the party. I don't know about Ubers late at night. First of all, Ubers in general. And then Ubers super late. That's not what I'm necessarily comfortable with unless I'm with somebody else. We can get glam now. Now we can get ready for the party. And I'm excited. It's my friend Sierra's birthday. Well, her birthday is tomorrow, but her birthday party is today. So we're about to get ready to get glam. I probably want to do step by step today because you only have an hour to get, less than an hour to get ready because it's 7:12. The party started at 8. She probably gonna be there to probably like 7:30. So we got time, but we don't got time. Right about before. We was able to come up with all black with black heels, gold accessories, blouse. That's how it in the front. It looks cute. I like it. Now it's time to go. We need to see how long the Uber is, and then it's time to go out the door. Y'all like the makeup? Quick beat.